Fliff App Review 2025 Pros and Cons Honest and Unbiased. You won't believe how mobile gaming apps have evolved in 2025. Fliff promises interactive games, cash prizes and social engagement, but is it really worth your time? The surprising truth is real rewards. Most people get this wrong by thinking gaming apps only provide virtual points. Fliff allows users to win real cash in tournaments, daily challenges and sweepstakes, adding a tangible incentive to play. One major advantage is community. You won't believe what happens next when you see Fliff supports live multiplayer games, leaderboards, and friend challenges, making gameplay more social and competitive. The app is available on iOS and Android, with intuitive navigation and smooth performance. Fliff also provides fairness and transparency. All games use certified ring systems, and withdrawals are straightforward with multiple payment options. However, there are cons. Some games require entry fees or in-app purchases, which can add up. Cash prizes are modest for casual players, and excessive gaming may impact productivity if not managed responsibly. In conclusion, Fliff in 2025 is ideal for mobile gamers seeking interactive entertainment with a chance to earn real money. While fees and time management are considerations, the combination of social engagement, fairness and cash rewards makes Fliff a compelling choice for casual and competitive players alike.